Hello brothers, my name is Grafinx and welcome to my Sunday Hangout.
Sunday Hangout.
In this Sunday Hangout, I'll be telling you why I haven't been uploading and streaming lately. Stay tuned. So basically it's getting too hot in my room. I'm getting all these headaches and my CPU shows all these high temperatures. So what do we need? Okay guys, up till now, no success. We found a few air conditioners, but not quite what I was looking for. But we got a few other places on our list, so stay tuned, brothers. Sorry for the humming noise because the exhaust pipe of this car is so huge. It's like we're on a boat. Normally I don't vlog on my Sunday hangouts, but this is something different. It's still an update video though.
1, 2.
Okay, brothers. We took a break. We're gonna take a little retour. We have my key. That means we're going to the post office. Let's see what fan mail we got. Okay, it's empty. Maybe next time, brothers. Don't forget, send me fan mail. The link is in the description. So while we're waiting for the rain to stop, we're sitting here in the car. Let me quickly say that I wasn't sitting and doing nothing in this sort of break of YouTube and streaming thing. I was working on some beats with Fruity Loops. Yeah, so maybe in the future you guys will see some awesome beats that I've been making. No, not awesome. I'm still a noob at this thing, but I'll be uploading my beats and share it with you guys. Also, I've been trying to get better at Fortnite. I've been playing Fortnite a lot lately, and you know, it's so fucking difficult to get a victory in Fortnite, so I've been practicing my ass off. Also, there's a contest in Fortnite, so I'll be entering as well. And the last thing that I've been busy with is my little baby parrot. Our little baby parrot. Pretty cute. He's just a baby. He's still a baby even though he looks like this, all feathery and shit. But I'll be sharing the whole compilation of his growth on Instagram. So go ahead guys, follow me on Instagram and be sure to check out my merchandise. And again, if you haven't subscribed to Silly Siggy yet, go ahead, subscribe to Silly Siggy. I'm gonna add link in my description. She's planning some awesome things on her channel, like I said before.
So if you all want to get excited, really excited, please come to my channel. I will really make you proud, guys. I promise that. Okay? Subscribe, like, and share the videos.
Some mad shit is about to happen, guys. We don't take breaks for nothing. So I think the rain stopped. I'm back. So yeah, I'm back and let me give you a quick recap. We did find an air conditioner. We did find one. The thing is, we didn't purchase it yet because the guy said there's going to be a sale. I think we're gonna wait for the sale. We also searched for bird cages and we did find a few, but I think we're going to order one on Amazon. The prices aren't that different, but on Amazon we got a bigger variety and there are a lot more other cool cages on Amazon. And yeah, the uploads and my live streams are coming out as soon as I have my air conditioner. The room will be cool, the room will be lit, well, cold. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one, brothers. Ciao! Time to play some Fortnite, baby.
Pick up the phone.